1 kilometer pa lang. Pagod na pagod ako.
From today she start doing a workout. It's only 1.8 kilometers.
So, I decided to record this video for running with my host Bean. Ito na nga guys, ang ganda ng paligid ngayon, as in super green with flowers. Papakita ko lang. So, ito ang forest nila. Ang ganda. Oh my God, see the flowers are everywhere. Ito pala yung dandelion sa totoong buhay. Oh, it's very, very nice. In fairness, sabi yun na nga, matakbo ako ngayon. Kasi nga, exercise daw. So guys, tumakbo kami ng asawa ko. 1 kilometer pa lang. Pagod na pagod ako.
Not one.
It's not even 1 daw.
No, it's more. It's 1.
Yeah, it's more than 1 kilometer. But
1.8 was there. This is already 2.
pero yun na nga guys. Grabe yung pagod ko. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako tumatakbo talaga. So, sa kaya jogging, sa akin, takbo na. Pero sobrang ganda naman ng view. Diba? Super nature. It's really, really good. And they are really pretty in person. So, we will resume our exercise and running. I'll see you later. Bye. See you, see you.